everyone, I'm Shahi and welcome to Shahi's Easy English. I'm in Primark today and we're looking at a new expression and it is a secret British expression. Do you know what it is? Do you still want to know? I'm going to tell you. It's about keeping things under wraps. So, to keep things under wraps or to keep it under wraps. WRAPS means to keep things a secret or to keep it a secret, something a secret. So why was Shahi in Primark? It's none of your business. Not really, I'm only joking. Okay, I can't tell you. I have to keep it under wraps, okay? Next example is, she trained to be a professional boxer, but she kept things under wraps. She didn't want anybody to know, okay? And third example, Ken and Jenny are moving to Australia, but they are keeping things under wraps. What does that mean? It means they are keeping it a secret. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you found the video enjoyable and useful, please like, comment and subscribe. You know, it's really hot today, like 35 degrees. I tried to do the video outside, but it just didn't work out. That means nothing worked out. It didn't happen because wherever I went, there was a lot of noise. And people were talking really loudly, so I didn't want you not to be able to hear the audio because then it wouldn't have been helpful. So take care and I hope you have a wonderful day or night, whatever it is for you, and see you soon. Also, of course, bye for now. See ya.